Meaning of fascinate.
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 Fascinate. Fascinate means to attract and hold someone's interest or attention. When something fascinates a person, they become deeply engrossed or captivated by it. It can be an idea, an object, a person, or an experience that stimulates curiosity, admiration, or wonderment. The result of fascination is often a feeling of pleasure or excitement, as the person is drawn into the subject matter, exploring it more deeply and engaging with it on a personal level. Fascination can lead to new discoveries and insights, and can inspire creativity and innovation.